Hello, good morning and good evening, everyone. I'm going to cook, my daughter and I are going to cook pho soup, beef soup. It's very delicious. As you can see, guys, it's super yummy with cilantro, brain sprout, and jalapeno and beef. Here's subscribe, likes, and please leave comment. You need to try, guys. It's very, very delicious. It's Vietnamese soup. So please click the subscribe and like, share, and leave comment. First, you have to boil the beef bone with some of the meat, and you have to take away the brown that floating on the water because that is the blood. And then you have to boil it until it gets soft. So this, guys, is mix spices po, and they have bag. You have to put that inside the bag. We put that in HEB. So as you can see, you have to put that all in the bag. My daughter and I loves to eat pho. We always went to Vietnamese restaurant. It's very delicious, guys. So now you have to tie it really good, and then you have to put inside the boiling water with the beef bone, marrow, and also the rest of the meat. And then the beef meat and also the some of the fats. So now how you have two onions, and then that is the spices pho. And then you have to add water. And also, guys, we put that pho paste. As you can see here, you have to put that also. And the beef powder and also beef cubes. So that is a pho paste. You have to mix it together with boiled water and the meat. So it's very delicious, guys. And then you have to add water, and that's a beef powder or beef stock, like 2 spoons. And also black pepper. You have to add the black pepper. You have to estimate, or it's up to you because this is a big pot, guys. Now you have to stir it and then boil it until the beef meat and the rest of the bone meat is soft. And also, this is cilantro. If you have, they have another called leaves, and also that is characha, and brain sprouts, jalapeno. So now you have to soak the water, the noodles, and then you have to boil water, and then you have to put there, leave it at least 1 minute, as you can see, and you still in like that to get soft the noodles. So when the noodles is ready, you have to put inside the clean bowl. There. And then after that, guys, you have to put some of ingredients like bean sprout, and also cilantro, and the abandoned or another words like basils. You can add basils too, and also jalapeno. That is additional optional side dish, and also the soup and some of the meat and fat of the beef. So it's very tender and delicious, the beef and also the beef broth. You have to try, guys. It's very, very delicious. You can also add cilantro or basil leaves. See, as you can see, guys, it's so yummy. One of my daughter favorite, my youngest daughter, and also is my favorite too. And my husband. But my husband, he doesn't want to eat beef, so he just eat vegetables with my daughter. She makes that a turkey, so she eat only turkey. But this is a beef. So now it's done, and you have to put sriracha, and also you have to put also hoisin sauce. So now the food is ready to serve. Thank you so much. Subscribe, likes, please leave comment. And don't forget to post the notification. See you in my next video. Bye!